Welcome back to my channel, my US friends. 10 best niches for AdSense arbitrage. Google AdSense allows bloggers and marketers to earn revenue by placing ads on their sites. If you want to make money independently and keywords that offer the most sufficient payout, the excellent place start. The most profitable niches for AdSense, the one that companies and ad network pay the most money for a single ad click. The cost per click (CPC) of ads differs based on the niche, the location, and the ad size. Number 1. Insurance. Insurance tops the list as the most profitable niches for AdSense. Companies and agents operating in the insurance industry will most likely pay more money for ads, and this is because they can generate a massive return on investment for each ad click translate into a sale. Bloggers and websites can take advantage of content opportunities in the insurance industry. They can discuss topics such as health insurance, automobile insurance, life insurance, travel insurance, pet insurance, home insurance, and more. The competition for blogs and websites in the insurance niches is in more. However, with quality articles, SEO practices, and relevant keywords, you can boost your page rankings, drive a vast of money, quality traffic to your site, ultimately enjoy higher revenue from ads that are served your website. Cost per click refers to amount of money that advertisers in that niches are willing to pay you for ads. It is also the amount of money that website owners earn each time a visitor clicks on advertisement on their site. For insurance ads, the average cost per click may differ based on the country and location. Based on data, the average cost per click (CPC) for car insurance is US $89.53. Other insurance CPC for the US include home insurance $53.49, health insurance $18.14, life insurance $34.97. The insurance industry also leads AdSense averages in the other regions including the UK, Australia, and Canada. In the UK, the average CPC cost per public liability insurance is $26.45. Life insurance is $26.43. Landlord insurance stands at $16.19. Car insurance is $6.20. In Australia, the average CPCs for these keywords are health insurance $34.09, life insurance $82.82, car insurance $20.85, house insurance $26.26. Canada has a similar experience in the average CPCR. Home insurance $25.61. Car insurance $19.87. Liability insurance $14.80. High paying keywords. The best keywords in the insurance niches involves a healthy mix of keywords. The keywords with high CPC, keyword with high search volumes. Bloggers should consider including a blend of these keywords categories in the blog post. Let us take a look some of the expensive insurance related keywords in the US. Geico Insurance has a CPC of $83.2.24. Instant Auto Insurance quotas as a CPC of $69.72. Get Auto Insurance Online has a CPC of $67.28. Purchase of auto insurance online earns a CPC of $64.94. Auto insurance quotas online has a CPC of $63.75. Some of the most popular insurance related keywords in the US includes farmer insurance with monthly search volume of 45,000. Farm insurance with a monthly search of 45,000. Car insurance earns of 3 million searches every month. Travel insurance has a monthly of 36,000. Online education and other niches. The past few years, online education and digital learning have witnessed massive adoption and growth. Statistics show the learn market $243 billion by 2022. Students and professionals are taking advantage of the opportunity to acquire skills and qualification. More so, there are a lot of online learning platforms offering a free paid online courses including Udemy, Coursera, Harvard Online, edX, Elson, Skillshare, LinkedIn Learning, formerly known as Lynda. Some of these platforms pay more money, places ads on publishers' sites and in specific locations. Website owners can allege into the opportunities that exist in the niches.